Hey everyone, Sheree here. I've just had the beautiful Felicity Jane Capri Kit arrive on my doorstep about 10 minutes ago. I can't wait to dive in and share this one with you. So let's take a look inside. Alright, so on the top here we have a couple of extras that are available in the shop this month. We've got the 6x6 pack of papers. These are Capri papers, really pretty, so we'll have a closer look at that one a bit later. We've also got the mini loose leaf rings. These are the teal colour, really pretty colour, that one. And we also have some coral coloured mini wide paper clips. So all these things are available separately in the Felicity Jane shop. We've got Capri here taking photos. She looks very cute. All right, so let's take a look inside. Open this one up. All right. Oh, that's really gorgeous. Okay, we've got lots of pretty things to look at here. So let me get everything out of the box and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these beautiful things. I'm going to start off with the Capri Puffy Alphabet stickers. So I love the tiny size of these. We've got multiples of each letter and numbers. I really love the beautiful coral colour this is in. I'm going to be using these a lot. So they are the Capri Puffy Alphabet stickers. Next up we have the Capri Puffy Shapes. Again, I've just taken them out of the pack just to minimise the shine for you. So lots of beautiful stickers in this little pack. We've got the words My Story, Happy, Loving This, Watch Me Grow. And then we have a range of other really pretty stickers here. Loving these. So we've got the florals, we've got some asterisks there, we've got a camera, a bow. I love this circular floral piece. We've got a couple of hearts as well. These cute little flowers in all the colours, and this beautiful banner as well, which is one of my favourites I think in this pack. So they are the Capri Puffy Shapes. Okay, let's take a look at the Capri stamp set. As always, the stamp sets come in their own little pouch. It's got that scalloped edge at the top there. It's a little bit hard to see on camera, but it is super cute. And just as a side note too, these little pouches you can purchase separately in the shop. So if you want to use these for holding your die cuts or other embellishments, to hold other stamps that you might have in your stash, you can get these separately in the shop. Okay, so the stamp set itself, I love this pie chart here. You can really have fun playing with your colours with this. It also has the lines as that you can have leading off each of those segments, and we've got the numbers and the little percentage sign too. So you can really customize this to suit whatever you're journaling about. We also have the words that you're going to that you could use for each of those segments too. So we've got working on, reading, listening to, struggling with, loving, watching, creating, my favorite. We also have currently, so grateful for, routine. We've got nighttime and morning with the little moon and the sun. That's really cute. We've got the words my day, at the moment, I'm okay, taking a break, hoping for, and eating. And there's also this little knot work that you can insert into, well, in between those words. So instead of I'm okay, you can have it reading I'm not okay. We also have down the bottom here OOTD, so outfit of the day, right now, and if your name happens to be Capri, you've also got the little Capri word down that bottom corner as well. So that is the Capri stamp set. It's going to be really fun to play with. We also have this beautiful rainbow stripe washi in the kit this month. I think this is my favourite washi that Felicity Jane has ever done. It is so pretty. So that's the rainbow stripe washi. And then we have these little chipboard asterisks. So they're in all the kit colours. We've got pinks, corals, the mustard colour, teal, that really pretty light blue, and they're a really fun size as well. So they are the chipboard asterisks. So I think for these other things, I'm going to grab the die cut shapes and these tags and the journaling cards out of their packs. So I'll do that and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I've just zoomed in a little bit to give you a closer look at these story tags. I love these. They're a new product that we haven't had before. And at the top of each of the tags, we have this little hole, just like you would see on packaging in a store. So I love that, something a little bit different. Each of these tags are either blank at the bottom or at the top. There's 9 pieces in the pack, and these are going to be perfect for journaling, embellishing, adding a photo to, whatever you can think of. So let's take a look at the different ones we've got here. So we've got this beautiful floral, we've got a blue gingham pattern, a rainbow stripe, black polka dots, we've got a black gingham, black and white stripe. This one here has the grid at the bottom section, we've got lines on this one, and then we have a black dot grid on this last one. So they are really fun. The sizing of that is approximately 3.5 inches by 2, and we've got the top edges just slightly rounded as well, which is really fun. So I love these. I can't wait to use them. They are the Capri story tags. Okay, let's take a look at the Capri die cut shapes. There are 31 pieces included in this pack, and I've zoomed in a little bit just so you can see them up a little bit closer. Alright, so one of my favourite things in the pack this month are these really cute little clipboard pieces. We've got 3 of those in a variety of colours and patterns. They are really cute. Okay, so we've also got these scripty phrases. We've got wonderfully made at the top here, love more, and the word me. There's Capri herself. We've got this piece at the top here that says doing my best. We've got a variety of hearts here in different colours and a variety of labels too in different shapes and sizes. We've also got this fun piece here that says hello, my name is. We've got an ampersand over here, a circular piece that says one of a kind. 2 little tags at the bottom here. We've got the really pretty floral pieces over this side. I love this little border piece here. That's really fun with the pink and white polka dots. And up the top here we've got that little number 5 ticket that says chapter number 5, so number 5 for May. We've got one of those in each of the die cut shapes packs this year. So as you can see, lots of fun things to play with there and use on your projects. So they are the Capri die cut shapes. Alright, next up we have the Capri journaling cards. So as always we have 5 cards included in the pack. On the reverse of the cards we either have a dot grid or a grid, so nice and neutral. You can use that for many things. So let's take a look at the beautiful patterns on the front of each of these cards. This first one here, we have 3 different patterns on the one card, which is really fun, love that. Then we have this mustard card with white polka dots. We have a pink gingham with a white section at the bottom here. A teal blue grid, love that colour. This one here, plenty of space for your handwritten journaling, and we have that little floral at the top there. This one here is a really pretty minty blue colour, and we have some white scallops all the way down that card. We've got this gorgeous floral card here that is really gorgeous. This one here says learning and growing and learning some more. That's really fun. This one has a coral floral border around a white section, so perfect for journaling or adding a photo to. Then we have this diagonal rainbow stripe and a larger white section at the bottom. We have a pink card with a large number 5 on it. And this last one here is this really sweet strawberry card. I think that's one of my favourites. So they are the Capri journaling cards. Okay, so here we have the Capri paper pack. As I always say, make sure you keep this packaging piece. It's really handy for using for punching out little pieces or using as accents on your project. Really handy piece to have. Alright, so let's take a look at these papers. First up we have this really beautiful floral pattern. Loving that one. On the reverse we have this diamonds pattern in black and white, and then we have this mustard scallop down the branding strip. This one is called Hearts, 2 different shades of that corally pink colour, and the reverse of that one is this really fun chevron pattern, and that one has a floral branding strip. This one here is called Diamonds in that really lovely teal colour. On the reverse we have these fun strawberries, that's really cute, and a pink gingham branding strip on that one. This is one of my favorites. It's called Spots, with little tiny black spots all over that. On the reverse we have these multicolored scallops, and then we have a teal grid down that branding strip. This next one I love. It's called Diagonal, in that beautiful coral and pink colours. And on the reverse of that one we have a mustard dot grid and then some black stripes down the branding strip. This one here we have stripes, it's, all those rainbow stripes, loving that. We have triangles on the reverse of that one and these coral hearts down the branding strip. So as always we have the two solid colour papers. Here we have the coral on one side and the light pink on the other. They always have this scalloped branding strip piece where you can either cut that off to use on your project, or you can cut a plain section from the top and have that as a 12 by 12 background piece. The other colour we have here is that mint on one side and teal on the other. So they are the papers from the Capri paper pack. So now I have a few little pieces here that you can purchase for yourself separately in the Felicity Jane store, and you'll find these in the Capri section. We have the 6x6 paper pack. This is a Capri paper pack, so it's going to coordinate perfectly with your kit. There are 4 different patterns and you get 2 of each of these. So let's take a look at the patterns included. We've got this floral here, and the reverse of that is the teal grid. We also have this mustard diamond pattern, and the reverse of that is a diagonal rainbow stripe. Then there's this teal with the white polka dot. Absolutely love this one. On the reverse of that are some more rainbow stripes, but they're a little bit thinner than the diagonal. And then we have a pink gingham pattern. The reverse of that one is a really tiny mustard heart grid. So that's really sweet. We also have available some Capri Coral mini wide paper clips. I love the mini wide paper clips, and it's really fun to have them in this new colour. So that's those. And then we have the teal mini loose leaf rings. These are about 1 inch. I absolutely love the colour of these. So you can get those in the shop as well. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed seeing what is included in the Capri kit this month. I look forward to bringing you some projects using this kit very soon. Let me know if you've got any questions. Just pop it in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll leave a link to Felicity Jane down below for you as well. So I will see you soon with some more to share. But until then, have a great day.